How to fix Telegram sound problem. Welcome guys to this video. I will show you how to fix sound problem on your Telegram right now. Let's do it. So all what you have to do is to open the settings of your phone. Click next at apps option and search right now for Telegram and click on Telegram when you find it. Scroll down this list and click at storage option. Click clear cache in the corner of the screen. You should back after this and click on force stop and click OK. Go right now to Play Store or App Store and update Telegram and restart your phone, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.